I think you have already completed the conversions. Let us verify the key. See, the first one is, this is double bond CH, C double bond O is converted into the CH3, CH double bond CH, CH double bond CH2. This is board again. See, here one carbon atom is increased. At carbonyl carbon, carbon atom can be increased by using the Grignard's reagent. So if I use the any Grignard reagent, that R part of the Grignard reagent adds to this and this is converted into the R. It is easy to increase the one carbon atom and the carbonyl group is converted to the alcohol. Alcohol further it can be dehydrated. This is treat with the methyl magnesium bromide. You know the reaction. This is the anion, bromo magnesium ion, and now this is added to nucleophilic addition. Carbonyl compounds take part in the nucleophilic addition reactions. OMGBr. This are a treatment with the acidified water, or that is just water. CH double bond CH. This is converted to the OH. Is newly introduced. This is the carbonyl carbon. This is carbonyl carbon. This is newly introduced carbon. Now alcohol can be easily dehydrated to create the carbon-carbon double bond. It is for alcohols the more prominent reaction solution and on heating dehydration takes place. Here already there is a double bond. There is a double bond. Now it is undergoing the dehydration and producing the another double bond. You know that if there is a double bond, if the another double bond is conjugation with the existing double bond. Therefore, what happens? This is and dehydration takes place. CH3, CH double bond CH. So this is CH double bond CH2. Penta 1,3-diene is formed, that is the product. This is the carbon obtained that we got from the Grignard's reagent. By using the Grignard's reagent, we can create this. So, see, similarly, if you have it can be converted into that is methyl cyclohexane. Cyclohexanone to methyl cyclohexanone. It is not the part of the conversion. Same concept I am again explaining. If you treat with the methyl magnesium agent, this is addition takes place. OMGBr. This is methyl is introduced here. This on acidification gives the alcohol. This is in the last conversion. Now we have to eliminate, that is H plus ion heat that loses the water and this is formed. To convert it to this one, we have to do that is double bond to be removed. Hydrogen to methyl cyclohexane is the product of the reaction. The next conversion is that is propane to, see, the starting material is converted into the CH3 CHOH, that is CH2 D. See, now the name is, it is an alcohol. CH2, this is converted into the CH3, it's an alcohol. So the name of this compound is, there is a deuterium. So one deutero, two. Like HCl, BCl, D plus is the electrophile, Cl minus is the nucleophile. Marconic of addition takes place. CH. Now this is treated with the, now Cl has to be replaced with, that is OH, nucleophilic substitution, aqueous sodium hydroxide, that is SN reaction, SN2 reaction, CH2D. 1 deutero 2 hydroxy ethanol is propanol is formed. See, this is the conversion. And third one is the, this is, and the reverse. H3 CH D on the second carbon, OH on the first carbon. So anyhow it is propene, and we are, addition is conducted on the propene, and that is like water. But here the deuterium is adding, and moreover in the, during the addition, OH has to go to the, nucleophile has to go to the C2 carbon, that is the double bond carbon containing the less number of hydrogen atoms. But here the addition of water is taking place against to the Markovnikov's rule. So for this, what we have to do is the other technique, the borohydration, oxidation, hydroboration oxidation, that is B instead of BH3, instead of monomer, BD3. So you know the principle. This is addition takes place according to the Markovnikov's rule only. CH2 tripropyl borane is formed. This on treatment with the, this D from the BD3, treatment with the alkaline hydrogen peroxide, the B is replaced and this compound is, sorry, this is the B is added. So 3. Ultimately this product is, that is alkene is treated with the unsymmetrical alkene is treated with the, that is diborane followed by the alkaline hydrogen against to the Markovnikov rule, but in no step and addition is taking place in the against to the Markovnikov's rule. So this is the other case. And the next one is, this is ethylene oxide, oxirane, ethane 1,2 epoxide. This is converted into the see here, and this is the 3-member ring. It takes part in the ring opening reactions. Normally we say that it is participating in the nucleophilic. Nucleophile goes and attacks here. In this process, a carbon atom has to increase. If it is treated with the methyl magnesium bromide, where methyl carbanion is the attacking species. One ethylene oxide, carbon atoms of the ethylene oxide. This is two carbon atoms. Let me start these carbon atoms. OMgBr. So this are hydrolysis, that is is formed. So now from the primary alcohol we can prepare the carboxylic acid by treating with the, that is K2Cr2O7 plus H2SO4. Primary alcohols are converted into carboxylic. This is the reaction. The other one is, this is again aromatic system and benzene 2. So this is the benzene system. The metachlorobenzoic acid. Metachlorobenzoic acid. Yeah, orthochlorobenzoic acid, sorry. Orthochlorobenzoic acid. What to do? See, we have to introduce the COOH, which is a meta-directing group, ring deactivator meta-directing. Cl is a ring deactivator but OP directing group. See, if you introduce the chlorine first and convert coal-based with reaction, carbon dioxide, high pressure conditions, the reaction is not possible because it is a ring deactivator is present. Coal-based with reaction is possible. Carboxylation on the aromatic system is possible if the strong ring activating groups are present. Therefore, not the ortho position. So first introducing the chlorine is ruled out. Then what to do? That is convert into the, that is then treat with the concentrated H2SO4, lock the para position by in the form of sulfuration. You treat with the chlorine in the presence of iron powder or FeCl3 or anything, AlCl3. So only the leftover position is, that is chlorine is going to ortho position because para is locked. And now this is treated with the, that is, you can either way. You have to remove the SO3H group and convert the KMnO4. If the conversion into KMnO4 is COOH is steam, treat with the steam. Desulfonation takes place, CH3Cl. This is converted into this on treatment with the KMnO4, H plus heat or manganate. All alkyl groups that are connected to the benzene ring are converted to COOH, irrespective of the number of carbon atoms. So this is the route. This is the route for this. And next one is the, that is phenol. This is the phenol. You have to prepare the benzoic acid. See, there is no way to convert the water, the OH into COOH group. Function, that's called. There is no functional group interchange reaction here. So if there is a functional aldehyde group, on oxidation it converts into the carboxylic acid. One functional group is converted to other functional group, that is called as the FGI, functional group interchange. So group, and to introduce the carboxylic acid group you have to introduce in the form of the C-methyl group or in the through the Kolbe-Schmidt reaction, that is treating the phenol. So you treat this with the sodium hydroxide first. Right, now I am conducting the Kolbe-Schmidt reaction, that is carbon dioxide high pressure conditions. We know that principle, sodium salt of carboxylic acid are heating with the, that is carbon dioxide under high pressure conditions. COOH group is introduced at the ortho position, whereas same potassium salt of the phenol is treated with the potassium salt of phenol is treated with the carbon dioxide, that is COOH group is introduced at the para position. Phenol can be converted into sodium phenoxide or phenol can be converted into potassium phenoxide. Potassium phenoxide, so that is COOH at the para position, and sodium phenoxide COOH group is introduced at the ortho position. Now you have the sodium salt of orthohydroxy benzoic acid is called as salicylic acid. Sodium salicylate is formed. So this is okay, and now this is acidified, this converted into the salicylic acid is formed. So now you have to remove the, that is phenolic OH. The best reagent is the zinc dust distillation. Or else, this is the convenient method because electrophilic substitution reaction, a new group is introduced in the presence of the OH, the reactivity is high, therefore easily reaction takes place. Yield will be more. Suppose, let me remove this. Benzene to toluene to benzoic acid. You know the but I need not write the reagents. Phenol, zinc dust distillation, benzene, methylation. This is for okay. This is the alternative route, but this is the best route. We know this route. Preparation from phenol to salicylic acid preparation. So now this is the phenol to benzoic acid. Toluene to 2-bromo 4-nitro benzoic acid. Toluene is the reactant. Bromonitro. See, this is the regular deactivator, but OP director. See, anyhow, this is the ring activator. 2 more groups to be introduced into the ring. Therefore, it is easy to convert the CH3 into COOH. Don't be hurry in converting that is reactivity of the ring decreases. So to the possible extent, the groups are introduced into the molecule when the ring activating groups which increase the reactivity are present in the molecule. Let me first convert it. Right. So nitrating agent, I need not write the again and again and again, that is the H2SO4 heating, that is nitro group is introduced. Now introduce the, that is bromine plus Fe plus iron powder, same thing. So This is directing to the ortho position, this is directing to the beta position, reinforced. Further substitution takes place here. Yes, introduced here. Yes. First nitration, followed by bromination. Convert the CH3 group into COOH group by treating with the KMnO4. Everything is nicely this thing. So now these are very simple conversions. Toluene into, so nitro and these are interchanged. Same, toluene is the starting material. This is the, this is the nitro group. So, and here first and carry out the bromination. Now, Br2 plus iron powder, COOH, nitro group, iron powder, this is, that is bromine is introduced at the para position. Now carry out the nitration, concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4, that is formed, just KMnO4 is. First bromination followed by nitration. Otherwise, nitro group, first if you carry out the nitro group, nitration, nitro group will go to the para position. And it is converted to this. The next conversion is bromonitro. Benzene to, oh. This is the benzene. Benzene. This is the toluene. Two alkyl groups are introduced. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. But through the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, N-alkyl benzenes cannot be prepared because carbocation is the intermediate or electrophile here that undergoes the rearrangement of carbocation. Therefore, here for preparation of the alkyl benzenes, Friedel-Crafts acylation is better than that of the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. You know, that is treat this with the, that is, and methylation. Methyl benzene is formed regarding this electrophilic substitution reaction. Now, I am conducting the acylation and instead of alkylation, that is CH AlCl3 at para position. Propanoyl group is, this is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, this is the Friedel-Crafts acylation. See, in the theory we discussed Friedel-Crafts acylation is alkylation has many disadvantages. Poly substitution. Second one is rearranged products are formed. That is N-alkyl. This to this we can remove this one. This is, amalgamated. This is Clemmensen reduction or N2H4 hydrazine plus alkali Wolff-Kishner reduction. There are many ways and the four reagents, and this is the good scheme of reaction. For alkylation, acylation, this is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation, this is the Clemmensen reduction, this is the Wolff-Kishner reduction. So, and next one is simple. COOH, OH, this is CH3. Too simple conversion wise, it is looking very simple, but something is hidden here. So what we are doing, just we are converting the methyl group into COOH group. If a alkyl group is connected to the aromatic ring like benzene, that is, it can be converted to COOH by treating with the and alkaline K. Here the problem is directly we can use the KMnO4. I can write the word KMnO4 solution and heat it, but this is not possible. Why it is not possible? The phenols are the very sensitive to the oxidation. So oxidizing agent. What to do? To carry out the oxidation on any group or phenol, first OH group has to protect it. So group protection is required. Now to prevent the involvement of this, first Bisyl chloride and this is CH3, Hinsberg reagent, OBS, benzene sulfonyl chloride is used bisylation. Bisylation. Then once it is converted into the ester form, then now you can convert into the, safely you can use the KMnO4. Safely you can use the KMnO4. KMnO4, heat it. One. Convert into the COOH. But here there will be a bisyl group here. Now you have to carry out the hydrolysis to convert it. This on hydrolysis, again this group will go and it is converted to the phenolic OH. So two steps taken into that is phenolic OH is protected. Alcoholic OH also protected by bisylation method. The next one is 31. Right? This is converted into the phenyl acetic acid. Phenyl acetic acid. Simple conversion. So benzene to toluene is possible. So that is methyl chloride AlCl3. Toluene is formed. This is the benzylic carbon. We can introduce the halogen on that side chain by treating with the chlorine. This is benzyl bromide is formed, or you can take the chlorine also. There is no speciality for this thing. This is treated with the KCN, potassium cyanide. The cyanide group can be further converted This is benzyl cyanide or ethyl nitrile, phenyl ethyl nitrile. This is our hydrolysis gives the your this carbon is converted into COOH. See, we have to recollect that is the available reactions and use here in the construction of the reaction. See, the organic vocabulary, reaction vocabulary is required. And next one is the toluene 3,4-dinitro toluene. Simple, but nitrotoluene. Three, 4-dinitrotoluene. See here, one nitro group can be introduced at the para position. It is easy. Nitration that. But how to introduce the once this reaction is completed, and how to introduce the second nitro group? Again, nitration to be carried. If you carry out the nitration, further nitration, the nitration. This is the beta director. This is the OP director. So it directs the here and here. This directs the here. So further substitution takes place. That is the difficult. Therefore, see, second nitro group, or to introduce the second nitro group, this one, toluene, para-nitrotoluene. This is clear. So what to do now? See, here the nitro group is new group to be introduced here, ortho to the NO2. Therefore, it to be converted into the OP directing group. So, otherwise we cannot carry out the reaction. This is toluene. Now it is HCl. Metal plus acid is the reducing agent. Metal can't do any other work except the one providing the electrons and making the other species to take part in the reduction. This is, now you can introduce the water, this one. But the problem is, that is the oxidation takes place. Like phenols and anilines are the very sensitive to the oxidation. The oxidizing agents cannot be used. What to do then? The NH2 group. Now, now HNO3. This is nitration. This is ring activator. This is methyl is ring activator. This is called as a acetamido group. Acetyl group with amide. Acetamido group. Acetamide, one hydrogen is removed to the methyl group. Alkyl group ring activating tendency, due to the hyperconjugation. So that is this is due to resonance. Now, if you carry out the nitration, the further nitration takes place. That is ortho to the this is nitration is taking place. Right? Group protection this is. Now, and what to do? Two more things are left. H3O plus. That is the NH2 group, NO2 group. Then This should be nitro group. Amine group can be converted, primary amine can be converted into nitro. Nitro can be converted into primary amine by treating with the Sn plus HCl and hydrogen peroxide mixture. That is trifluoro acetic acid plus hydrogen peroxide. It is the acetic acid, trifluoroacetic acid, TP, trifluoroperoxy. That is CF3COOH. This is the trifluoroperoxy acetic acid, hydrogen peroxide. This converts the NH2 group into NO2 group. Three, four dinitro, very long way. That is 2,4 now. So this is the conversion related to the clearly. This is the nitrobenzene. Nitro compounds can be converted into the primary amines by treating with the Sn plus reduction process. This can be converted into this by H plus hydrogen peroxide, and that is this trifluoroacetic acid plus hydrogen peroxide mixture is equal to the trifluoroperoxyacetic acid. It is prepared E to A, interconversion is possible. So for our convenience, nitro group is introduced, that is converted into amino group to carry out the desired change. Again it is converted into this form. Next. Same thing, and unnecessarily we are nitro bromo, right? Same way. Toluene to nitro bromo. See, the procedure is same. Up to this point, the procedure is same here. Same procedure. Now, first nitro group is introduced, right? Bromine should be where? Here. And this is nitro group is introduced, right? And this is converted to the, again this is now treated with the so this is, let me write clearly, not this one. This is NO2, this is Br, I think, right? NO2. Given compound is toluene. Yeah. See, just and here the final, this is the final step, or this is converted into the C. Let me write the scheme. Toluene, para-nitrotoluene, right? Toluidine, para-toluidine, this is formed. Now, instead of the nitration, what we are doing, this is formed, group protection, Now it is treated with the bromine water. Bromine. This is converted. Here bromine in carbon disulfide. Only one group is into non-polar solvent. Only one group is introduced. NHC double bond OCH3. So bromine in the polar solvents, all the orthopara positions are substituted. So now this is the case. Now it is hydrolyzed to get the your required product here. Right? That's the other route, and please tell me. And next one is the this is the compound, bicyclic compound. You know. Double bond. Is asking to prepare the bromine 1,6-dibromo bicycle 6-dibromo bicyclo, that is how many are there? 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 4 4 0 decade. Bicyclodecade. Now what to do? Now remove the double bonds. Had just hydrogen nickel, that is saturated compound is formed. Decane is formed. Now this is the 3 degree carbon, 3 degree. Carbon more selective. Bromination, chlorination, bromination. This is now at tertiary position. Substitution takes place. 3 degree is more reactive than 2 degree. Hydrogen is more reactive than 1 degree. Hydrogen is more reactive than methyl hydrogen. అన్నిటికంటే ఇంకా రాయాలంటే దట్ ఈస్ బెంజైలిక్ అలైలిక్ హైడ్రోజన్. This is tertiary hydrogens are there. They are replaced. Now the compound is this. And the last one is the methyl iodide to a non-specific reaction, but and right, it has to be converted into the CH3, CH2, CH3, and this is CH3. So this is possible only through the Grignard reaction. Let me see. This is converted into the magnesium ether. Grignard reagent, methyl magnesium iodide. This is alcohol is formed. Right? Acid reaction. This on passing over the copper 300, alcohol is converted into aldehyde, right? Here the formaldehyde is formed. So same one Grignard reagent. Now these two are magnesium bromide adds on this. This is the CH2 stars O star MgBr. So that is Grignard reagent reacts with the formaldehyde to produce the that is carbonyl, starting from the aldehydes, that's primary alcohols. Starting from the Grignard reagent, it has to be treated with the formaldehyde. Now we got this one. Now ethyl alcohol is produced. Same reactant. This on oxidation, say the word simply copper 3. There are many reagents you can use anything. CH3, C double bond OH, acetaldehyde is formed. Acetaldehyde is formed. So that is now treat with the ethyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis. Now this gives the CH3, CH. This is formed. Ethyl group is attacking here. Further hydrolysis gives this compound. So methyl carbonyl is formed. This on oxidation gives the methyl ketone, again treating with the methyl magnesium bromide followed by hydrolysis. Again methyl group is attacked here. Now it is CH3, COH, CH3. This is CH. So ethyl dimethyl carbonyl or 2-butanol, 2-methyl 2-butanol, a 3-degree alcohol. Several steps and we prepare the water by using the same material. That is, we prepare the. These are the solutions. That is 15. The problems are given. Compare. If you have any doubts, you ask me. And tomorrow I will send you again. And I think it is better to in each assignment and sheet with 10 questions. And if I take the what more, so the video is becoming the very big. That is, if I take the what 20 conversions to explain the detailed explanation 20 conversions. Half an hour video is convenient, I think. And see, tomorrow I will send you another this thing, conversion assignment. Thank you.